Welcome. This is a short briefing on artificial intelligence copilots and Microsoft PowerPoint, and how they help leaders think faster, communicate more clearly, and decide with greater confidence. Every week, leaders are asked to turn complex information into a story that a board, a team, or an investor can follow in minutes. That work used to take hours of formatting and rewriting. Over the next 15 minutes or so, we will look at what Copilot in PowerPoint actually does, how leaders are already using it day to day, what it means for the way they spend their time, and how it compares with other AI assistants, including Claude, ChatGPT, and Gemini. Let's get started. Leaders spend a disproportionate share of their week building, editing, and rehearsing slides instead of making decisions. Artificial intelligence copilots built into everyday tools are changing that balance. They turn notes, reports, and raw data into clear, presentable stories in minutes, rather than hours, freeing up time that used to disappear into formatting, resizing images, and fixing bullet points at 11 at night before a big meeting. This shift is not about replacing judgment. It is about giving leaders back the time and mental space that good judgment requires. 3 things stand out here. First, speed. A full deck can be drafted from a single prompt or a source document in minutes, not days. Second, sharper communication. AI helps tighten structure, tone, and message for the specific audience in the room, whether that is a board, a customer, or a new hire. And third, availability. Support for slide work is there at any hour, on any device, whenever a leader actually needs it, not just during business hours when a design team is online. So what exactly is Copilot in PowerPoint? It is Microsoft's built-in AI assistant, available on Windows, on Mac, and on the web, living right inside the application leaders already use every day. Copilot reads the context of a presentation, then drafts, edits, and reorganizes slides directly inside the file, while keeping formatting and brand identity intact throughout, so there is no separate tool to learn. There are 4 things it does especially well. It can create a first draft deck from a prompt, a document, or a spreadsheet, giving a leader a starting point instead of a blank page. It can summarize a long presentation into key slides or talking points. It can redesign a deck, applying on brand layouts, imagery, and formatting automatically. And it can answer questions, letting a leader simply ask Copilot about the content that is already in the deck. Let's look more closely at the core capabilities leaders rely on most, since this is really the heart of what makes Copilot useful day to day. Copilot can draft an entire outline and slide set just by describing the audience and the goal. It can summarize a long deck, producing key slides or a written summary in an instant, which saves real time before a meeting someone else prepared for. It can polish the design, applying consistent layouts, imagery, and brand styling in a single step, so decks look considered rather than rushed. It can adjust the tone, rewriting the same content for a board, a team, or an external audience. It can generate talking points, producing speaker notes so a leader can present with real confidence. And it can translate content, localizing a presentation for a global audience in moments. Together, these 6 capabilities cover most of what a busy leader needs from a presentation tool. How does this show up in a leader's actual week? 4 examples stand out, and most leaders will recognize themselves in at least one of them. For board and investor updates, strategy notes can become a polished, on-brand deck in minutes, instead of the late nights and back and forth with an assistant that this used to require. For all-hands meetings and town halls, quarterly results can be summarized into a clear narrative that every employee can follow, not just the finance team. For executive reviews, an existing deck can be reformatted and tightened right before walking into the room, so the last-minute scramble becomes a quick, confident pass instead of a panic. And for cross-team alignment, technical or financial reports can be translated into language that every stakeholder actually understands, closing the gap between specialists and generalists in the same meeting. In each case, the leader stays firmly in control of the message and the judgment behind it. Copilot simply removes the friction of getting there. Stepping back for a moment, what does all of this actually mean for leaders? The real value is not the software itself. It is the hours returned to strategy, coaching, and decision-making, the parts of the job that genuinely need a human leader's attention. 4 benefits summarize it well. Time back. Less time spent formatting slides, and more time spent on the decisions those slides are meant to support. Consistency. Every deck stays on brand and on message, no matter who on the team actually builds it, which protects how the organization is perceived. Confidence. Fewer late-night edits before a big meeting, and more time to actually rehearse the delivery, not just the content. And agility. The ability to refresh a deck quickly when the data, the audience, or the situation changes, without starting the whole process over again. Leaders today rarely rely on just one AI assistant. It helps to know how the main options compare when the deliverable is a PowerPoint file. Microsoft Copilot works natively inside PowerPoint. It edits the file directly, preserving brand, layout, and formatting as it goes, which makes it the strongest choice when staying inside PowerPoint matters most. Claude is especially strong at reasoning and writing quality. It excels at turning dense reports and complex data into clear, well-structured narratives a leader can present with confidence, which makes it a great first step for long or complicated source material. ChatGPT, especially with a PowerPoint-focused plugin, is best for fast drafting and brainstorming, generating outlines, talking points, and copy quickly, ready to paste straight into a deck. And Gemini is the natural fit for organizations built on Google Workspace, integrating with Slides, Docs, and Sheets the way Copilot integrates with Microsoft 365. A common pattern among leaders is to draft the narrative first in Claude or ChatGPT, then build and polish the final slides inside PowerPoint using Copilot. You can always cross-verify content created by one AI against another couple of AI alongside your human review to ensure accuracy. So how should a leader actually choose between these options? A few simple rules help, and none of them require a technical background to apply. If staying inside PowerPoint matters most, because the deck needs to stay on brand while it is being built, use Copilot. If the source material is long or complex, like a dense report or a set of financial statements, use Claude to shape and simplify it first. If speed and volume of ideas matter most, and the goal is to brainstorm quickly across a few different directions, use ChatGPT. And if the organization runs on Google Workspace rather than Microsoft 365, use Gemini, since it fits that environment the same way Copilot fits PowerPoint. In practice, most leadership teams end up using more than one assistant, matching the right tool to the task, rather than standardizing on a single one for everything. This flexibility is a strength, not a compromise. It means leaders can lean on whichever assistant best fits the moment, the audience, and the complexity of the material in front of them. Getting started as a leader is more straightforward than it might sound, and it does not require any special training to begin. Step 1. Turn on Copilot. Confirm that your Microsoft 365 plan includes a Copilot license, then open it directly from the PowerPoint ribbon, right where the rest of the familiar tools already live. Step 2. Write a clear prompt. State the audience, the goal, and the key data points that need to be included, the same way you would brief a skilled assistant. Step 3. Review before you present. AI drafts still need a leader's judgment, so check tone, accuracy, and brand fit before anything goes live in front of a real audience. And Step 4. Build a prompt library. Save the prompts that work well for recurring decks, like board updates and quarterly business reviews, so future decks come together even faster the next time around.
Now let us look at a free sample demo of how to use Copilot and from where to use it inside Microsoft PowerPoint. You can go on Home tab and click on Create with Copilot, or on the presentation open at your end, look at the bottom right the colorful icon and click on that. Then start typing your prompt inside the box. Remember, the more detailed your prompt is, the better the output. In our case, we shall request Copilot to create a professionally styled presentation with high SEO optimized image. Look up on net for details on the content and create a 10 to 15 slide presentation. Remember, we can add specific files to this section and ask Copilot to summarize those documents into a new presentation, or use that to create a detailed presentation. We shall also help Copilot understand the role it is playing in the audience for whom this presentation is being created. With all these details shared in, all we have to is wait and complete our other tasks, which by the way includes creating another presentation or few presentations on separate windows similarly on other topics, and wait for Copilot to work in the background automating this task and deliver to us the presentation. All we will need is to verify and make edits wherever we wish to on the presentation or customize it further. The entire background heavy lifting work is completed by Copilot. See, Copilot has already started creating the images at their end. And here we have the first draft of the presentation ready and delivered by Copilot. We can keep adding more prompts to it to refine it or do it by ourselves. On the right-hand side, we will also see the links and approach that Copilot has used to create this presentation. And that is the message you get if you run out of credits. That brings us to the references for this briefing. You will find links to Microsoft's official Copilot in PowerPoint documentation, the Microsoft 365 PowerPoint product page, and the official sites for Claude, ChatGPT, and Gemini, so you can explore any of these tools further on your own. None of this is about replacing the leader's voice or judgment. It is about clearing away the hours of formatting and rewriting that stand between an idea and a clear, confident presentation of it. Thank you for watching, and here's to presenting with more confidence, and a lot less time spent formatting slides.
This is a brief overview of how to get started using Copilot in Microsoft PowerPoint. For a detailed training, write to us. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please feel to share it onwards with your friends and colleagues. Do like, share, subscribe to the channel for more. For consulting queries, reach us on hello@talentsparx.com. See you in the next one.